Suddenly I'm seeing everything so different. Like I'm looking at the world through a brand new lens. Every shade of green and blue, and it's all because of you. I'm seeing everything. You make me wanna celebrate, 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 celebrate tonight.
Hello, Baby Ashton. I'm so excited to see you soon. Hope na maging mabait kang bata, just like your mom and me. At alam ko balang araw mapapanood mo to. Gusto ko din sabihin sa'yo na andito lang kami lagi ng mami. Mahal na mahal ka namin.
Hi anak, Ashton. Excited na si mami na makita ka and of course your dad. Hindi lang kaming dalawa ng daddy mo. Buong family namin, ang lola, ang mga tito, tita mo, at ang mga soon-to-be ninong at ninang mo, excited na para sa'yo. Ang wish ko lang magkaroon ka ng takot sa Diyos. Katulad sinabi ng daddy mo, maging mabait kang bata. Marunong makinig sa amin. At I think naman, with our guidance, not only us, both our family magkakaroon ng good guidance si Ashton. I love you anak, mahal na mahal ka namin.
We love you, Ashton!
Congratulations, Dea and Chard! Message namin, safety delivery syempre. Ayun nga, can't wait to see you, Ashton. Sana healthy ka palagi. We love you!
Congratulations, Dea and Richard! Galingan mo sa pag-iretwini. And we can't wait to see you, baby Ashton. And yeah, we love you guys. We love you.
Celebrate, 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 celebrate tonight. Like a picture that I've painted in my wildest dreams, came to life in every feeling that you gave to me. Found a story that we saw. Every moment is a song.
I hope na lumabas siya na healthy, masayahin, and of course, katulad mo, mataas yung faith ko. And naniniwala ako na masaya yung daddy mo para sa'yo.
So pinagpe-pray ko sa inyo na sana maging solid kayo for life and forever.
Naniniwala ko na si Ashton na magdadala ng another saya para sa inyo and maging sa amin.
Celebrate tonight. You make me wanna celebrate.